Ever wish you could perform a bunch of actions on your computer with just one key press? Like opening your favorite apps, typing long phrases instantly, or automating boring tasks? Well, that's exactly what keyboard macros do. And in this video, I'll show you how to create your own keyboard macros in Windows for free. So, what exactly is a macro? A macro is simply a shortcut that performs a sequence of commands automatically. Instead of typing or clicking through steps manually, you press one key or combination, and Windows does it all for you. It's like having a personal assistant that never gets tired. To create keyboard macros on Windows, you can use a free tool called AutoHotkey. It's lightweight, powerful, and perfect for automating daily tasks. Here's how to set it up. 1. Go to AutoHotkey.com and download the latest version. 2. Install it like any normal program. 3. Right-click on your desktop, choose New AutoHotkey Script. 4. Give it a name, for example, mishortcuts.awk. Now, right-click that file and select Edit Script. You'll see a blank notepad. This is where the magic happens. Let's create a simple example. BRB, be right back. Now, whenever you type BRB and hit space, it automatically expands to be right back. Save the file and double-click it to run. That's it, your first macro is live. But you can go way beyond text shortcuts. For example, you can make a macro that opens multiple programs at once. #N. Run notepad.exe. Run calc.exe. Return. Here, pressing Windows plus N will open both Notepad and Calculator instantly. Pretty cool, right? You can also automate tasks like copying text, moving windows, or controlling volume. Just check the AutoHotkey documentation. It's full of powerful commands you can use. Once you've built a few macros, they'll run quietly in the background every time you start Windows. You'll be amazed how much faster and smoother your workflow becomes. So if you're tired of repetitive actions, try creating your own keyboard macros today. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.